Wow. Oh my God. I got to get out away from these trees. Holy shit. This is unbelievable, huh? Holy shit. I can't. Oh my God. Hold on. Getting the fuck over here. Wow. This is just unbelievable, honey. This is pretty bad. Well, I'm getting pelted with hail. You ought to see the hail coming down. Unbelievable. There's rivers running through rivers running down the street. That's how much it. Holy shit. Nope. I'm sitting right on the corner of Myrtle Avenue and Nostrum Avenue. Big hail coming down. Huh? Well, it's actually letting up right now. It's already letting up. Oh. Yeah, it's lightening up now. No, yeah, that came by pretty quick. Boy, that was a little scary, huh? That was a little scary.